here recently, on the 4 hour, I guess you can see all these little recent highs is kind of where price has been bouncing. So that's where I have my alert at. So what would the trade look like? Well, I would sell here at this resistance zone. And what I would do is, the thing is I don't want to put a stop just above these highs, because if you do that, right, price could just come here to the major zone and then bounce at those highs, or even technically go a little bit past it and still fall. So what I would do, this would be one where I put the stop up above these highs up here. And then in this case, instead of it being a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, it would only be a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. But in this case, it'd be a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio for me. A lot of you might ask, like, hey, you know, why don't you just set an alert here at these highs and you just sell up there? Because I mean, you know, then look, you have your entry up there, you have your stop loss just above the zone, and then to keep the same target, right? Now you have a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. You know, why don't you just do that, Nick? The thing is that could set up, yes, but it wouldn't be as likely to set up. So it's like, it'd be one of these things where it's like, it would be worth a shot to enter here at these little recent highs. And then if I'm wrong about it and it goes up to bounce at those previous highs and it still starts turning over, well, I can still get out of my original trade that I had down here. I could still get out of that. Like, I mean, at least break even. It's just one of those things where it's just part of my discretion experience. But you could do the same little stupid argument for everything, right? You could say like, okay, look, you know, it's, you know, why are you selling right there? Why not just wait for these highs? You know, why are you selling at, you know, those highs over here? Why can't you just wait for those? And then the person who's selling there, you'd be like, well, why not just wait for these highs up here? Because this is the good highs. And if you're selling right there, you could have some crazy schizophrenic person saying, well, if you're gonna do that, then why not just wait these highs? Then you end up like never selling at any resistance zone, and you end up quitting trading because you couldn't decide to just make the decision to just sell at the damn zone.